got the drone in the air. We've been doing the odd few little clips, etc. like that. But here's the situation, right? I'm gonna give you guys the full rundown on this bad boy. I kid you not. Believe me when I say it does not get any better than this. Let me just land the drone so I can turn off the blades and not have it in the background making its noise. Even though, look at that for a shot. Okay, anyway, so right here in front of me we have the Engine Pro. Now this bike is awesome. It comes stocked with 20-inch wheels, 20x4 correction, off-road tires, on-road tires, usable within the snow or the sand. These pedals are quite sick, I'm not gonna lie. So I haven't quite, oh, there we go. Okay, so you literally click it all the way down and it will fold for you. Now earlier on I was telling you guys about the gears. The gears come stocked with Shimano gears. Now to be quite honest with you, they're smooth. I've had no issues. I am just rotating. I don't even know what gear I'm in right now at this specific time. I am gonna have to strip these things off of the handlebar so that you guys can see the handlebar, because that's how cold it is. So here's the gear levers. They are actually, like I was saying to you, underneath rather than on top up here. Hydraulic brakes. Now these are quite handy. Now they look like they're going to be easy to be able to maintain and refill. It's the same thing on the opposite side. Look at this. Just look at the color of the frame itself. It is amazing. And I had to give it my own little piece so that I could do the deliveries, whilst we have the rear rack attached to the back, and you have hydraulic brakes front to back. Now if you can look here, it says built-in energy recycling system. Now I'm trying to work out exactly what that does, but we'll get to that. Okay, so down here is it's for the pedal assist basically. Now this is what I was talking about earlier on as well. It quotes that this can hold 1000 lbs to this, but I'm not gonna lie, the way it bounces is amazing. Like, it just takes the full suspension, the full shock. It doesn't get any better. And it also comes with mud flaps that are metal, which isn't an issue at all. You have front shocks, which, believe me, they do work. I think I might have locked them up at the minute. Now, do you know what the awesome thing is about this light? When it gets dark enough, I haven't worked out how it does it, but oh, the bike's off right now, but it turns itself on. Also, 16 amp battery. Now this is a big battery. You just simply want to click here, make sure you've fully unlocked it, take your handlebar. Oh god, I need to drop the controller and shit, I forgot about that. Put it down for a second so we don't drop it, and your battery will literally slide out from in here. Now I'm not going to take it all the way out. Oh, okay, I've still got the key in the bloody thing. So right there you go, slides in and out just like that. It is actually quite heavy, but to be quite honest, it's not hard to get in there. And then literally you just want to take the bike, push it back in, clip, and you're locked back in again. Now to me, that's quite handy. I apologize if my mic was a little bit rustled then, but all right, so as you guys already know, we have a sponsored video. I'm receiving a job from Sainsbury's up the road, and it is going not far because it's paying £2.80. So I'm gonna literally, let me see how big this order is actually. All right, we got this in the bag, no doubt there. For those that are wondering, I actually have the Go Puff bag strapped on the back of the bike, and it is actually strapped down solid, so it's not going to go nowhere.
Yeah, little hood, but I like it like that. He make me smile and he always call me right back. He make the time, I I make arrangements, I ain't the same. He really changed me. He took the old me and rearranged it so I could love. It's so amazing, so I could blossom. Blocked all my options. I blocked the old things. You're not an option, baby. And it's okay.
This bike's not going to do no more than 15, but it is so kicky. It can just push. It is mad. So we should have no problems today. Chipping around, doing what I'm doing. Also comes with gears from 1 to 8. And I'm not gonna lie, the colour of the bike is quite nice. The blue was what I was hoping for. I didn't actually get a choice in that, but I'm quite lucky that it came within this colour option. But the other two colours that you can get are black or grey. I think I have enough black bikes if I'm being honest. And it also comes with double suspension. So when I went over there just then, normally I would feel it and bounce around, but I did bounce, but I didn't feel it because of the rear suspension. The second one is quite good, which I think it says it can hold up to 1,000 pounds in weight. We're literally about to arrive. Come boss. Let's go. So we're at Sainsbury's. It should hopefully be in and out. Sorry, miss. So morning, boss.
Good morning. Thank you.
Thank you. I've started the collection.
Yes,
cool. Have a good day. Oh. Am I going to be able to fit both of these in my bag? We're going to find out. Let's see how big the Tim's order is first before I drop it. Because this one's not that big at all. Forgot about that. Again. Alright. That can go in straight there. Yep, perfect. If I can fit the Tims in there, we're good to go. Phone on handlebar would be a start. Now, this is actually a foldable e-bike. So if you want to travel with it like I need to go London, I'm going to be able to fold it and take it with me. Let's get the next one. Sorry, boss. Morning, miss.
951, please. 951. Can I get one kids food, please? Your kids food number, right? Alternating you might bring one cup of 956. Yeah. Would you like to have a look if you find a small drink? Yeah, 953, please. 953.
You're right.
You okay? You know? There's a big.
Yeah, of course.
I'm joking, this is a small one.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. It is tiny actually. Alright. This is definitely fitting in. I'm glad I didn't drop it. Okay, we got both the orders. Right now we are chipping along. Do you know also I found was quite strange but interesting? It has metal folding pedals. Normally they're plastic, but I can't lie, they're actually more comfortable to stand on than the plastic ones. If that makes sense, there's more for your foot. And it's foldable. Where the hell is this directing me to? Oh my god. It's telling me I went the wrong way. That's ridiculous. But it told me to come up here. Now it's telling me to go back down and do a U-turn. But I'm just going to go around, if I'm being honest. Because it's going to link me back up from the corner down there. Google Maps has no common sense. Yeah, get out the bike lane, donut. Oh, them hydraulic brakes are working. We're gonna have to wear them ones in so they don't make noises. But let's swap back over to Uber Eats. We should have a clear description of where I'm delivering to. I believe it's here. Let the customer know I've arrived. Sainsbury's is the first drop off. Morning, mate. Can't lie, this bike is actually quite nice. We've had no response. This is the guy.
Is it a delivery for Faye?
No.
Oh no, it's not. We were expecting one as well.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
No worries.
Seems like here might be busy for deliveries. They must be seeing me on the camera, so. Hi, I've just arrived. I'm outside.
What?
Uber Eats, I'm outside.
Oh, Eegwe, would you mind just dropping it to reception?
Okay. Alright. Thank you.
They're around you're dropping it off.
Okay. Alright, cool. Thank you.
Thank you. Do you need the code at all?
1 second and I'll let you know.
Thanks.
No, I don't think so. Just want to take a picture.
just take a picture.
Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
Thanks. One of the lecturers.
You're right,
in that
this one's
building
supposed to be
There's Xavier.
Yeah, he's on the phone.
Yeah.
Xavier, is that you? Yeah, it's the security on Moss House. Are you coming down to collect?
Hi, you're right. So, deliveries, actually, my mum, one of the lecturers there,
Oh, okay.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
she's here
cool.
now.
Right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Cheers, mate. Sorry about that. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Cheers. Bye. Okay, let's go drop the second one off. I don't think I actually have to blur anyone out because my customer's not even there. So, where am I going to? Come on, Google. Alright. Is that my bike? Apparently it was. Alright, let's go make this delivery. Get the second one dropped off, which is only around the corner of 0.4. And now it'll practically be the first 5 on the 2 drops. Not bad. This has got the dodgiest option right now available. Alright, I know where I have to go though. I'm gonna take a different route. Oh, we just made it. I'm pretty sure it's sending me towards HSBC. Yes, it is. I think so anyway. Oh.
Make a slight right turn on Centenary Square.
Can't lie, I'm so impressed with how smooth this bike is, especially with the fact that it has off-road tires and it's still capable of feeling like you're not even riding with the knobblies. Oh, we're not taking that one, that's way too far.
Drop off on the left.
So hello, you waiting for Uber Eats? Yeah, sorry. Thank you, have a great day. Just give you a heads up, I am filming but everything will be blurred out so no one won't see you.
Sorry?
Everything will be blurred out so no one won't see you.
That's fine.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you.
Have a lovely day. Thank you, bye-bye. Let's go. Alright. Oi. For 250 watts, so yeah, I don't think I'm pushing at anything more than 15.5 on speed, but I am really enjoying this ride, I kid you not, and I'm so grateful that they gave me 2 batteries with the bike. So that means these videos over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be rotating between all the bikes that I've got in storage, etc., that are unusable at the time being. But I tell you what, this is going to be my go-to. It really is. So yeah, I'm not going to lie, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you're watching this right now, we're tapped in by the drone footage, I should be. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.